complex image. If this is your first time visiting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification icon. Ready subscriber, welcome back. So let's quickly retouch and color grade this picture in few minutes. So many people think you will need to take much time or you need to stress yourself out while retouching picture. Meanwhile, we're in the AI era right now. You can easily do anything you want with just a single click, with just a command. So watch me retouch this picture in less than 2 minutes and see if it's something you can actually make use of. Note, Evoto will be giving you 15 free credit for you to edit and export picture. Then you can go ahead and make purchase if you find the software educating or useful to your craft. But to me, it has been one of the best tools I have ever used when it comes to photo editing. So if you want to try that also again, follow the link in my bio in the description of the video so that I can do what you can get access and get free trial while signing up. So with no further ado, let's jump into action. The first thing we need to do is to do what? Remove all the wrinkles which you have on the face. Now look at how it's going to do that for us magically with just a single click. So if I'm just to turn on the slider right now, wait for it, it did what? Automatically it removed all the wrinkles, all the blemishes on my picture. Look at the before and look at the after. Very easy and straightforward. As you can see, if you have to do this in Photoshop or any other software, you'll be spending about 5 to 10 minutes to get that perfectly. So that being said, right now we're done with that. Then we close that up, then we open screen retouching. The beauty about it is you can actually retouch the skin separate, the face separate from the body. So right now we are on the facial skin. Then I'm going to scroll to my frequency separation, which is over here. I'm going to take to 100%. Can you see what it did on our picture right now? Look at the before of our picture and now look at the after with just a single click. The next thing we need to do is I want it to be more retouched than this. So under the low frequency, I'm going to drag it up also again. And on the eye, I'll leave it the way it is. But if I want more texture on the face, I can increase the eye. So it's going to give me more texture. And if I want it to be glossy, I'm going to drag it down and it's going to give me a glossy look. But I love to retain my texture, so I'm going to leave it the way it's supposed to be. That being said, the next thing I'll do is my dodge and burn. So I'll do what? Firstly, go to my even dodge and burn. As you can see, what that does is actually give me some highlight, some dodge on my picture. But the one that is going to do most of the work is our sculpt dodge and burn. So this, I'm not going to tell you everything that this software does. It's just for you to figure them out yourself while you're practicing with it. It's very, very simple. All I just need to be doing here is just to increase the slider, reduce the slider, then we are good to go. So the next thing I'm going to increase is sculpt dodge and burn. Can you see? It's actually dividing the face for us. Now look at the before of our picture, look at the after of our picture. In just less than a single minute right now, we're able to achieve this. So the next thing I'll do, I'm going to scroll down. I'll scroll down to the body skin. Then under the body skin also again, I'm going to do what? The same frequency separation, and I'm going to increase it to 100%. And also the even though I'm going to turn it on. So I'm just scroll to the body, look at the before, look at the after of the body. Very, very simple and straightforward. That being said, the next thing I'll do is to come down to the skin texture. Okay, how much do I want my highlights to be? So let me click on the first one, which is the matte. What that one does is going to kill almost all the highlights and make everything blending all together. While the satin is going to pop up the highlights. And if I do click on the last one, which is the dewy or whatever it's called, it's going to intensify the highlight also again. But I'm going to leave it at the satin, which is very, very nice. And here's my favorite aspect of it all, which is what? It's this particular one over here, select skin tone. So I'll be able to select any skin tone I want on my picture from here, and it's going to be very, very perfect. So this is the one I usually love to use, especially when it comes to my dark skin subject or model. So I'm going to click on this right now, and boom, automatically it's going to do what? It's going to select that for me. Look at how our picture looks in just few simple clicks. Very, very simple and straightforward. So the next thing I'm going to do is to increase the amount in case the color is not enough for my liking. Before and after, before and after. That being said, right now I'm still going to scroll down. I'll scroll down, and if I want the skin to be what, to be a little bit more brighter than this, I just have to come to the skin radiance and I'm going to increase the skin radiance. Can you see? It's actually popping out for me. Very, very simple and straightforward. Look at the before of our picture, look at the after of our picture. I love the way it did it for me. So the next thing I will do right now is I'm done with the retouching. If I'm to export my picture this way, I'm good to go. But I would like to do what? I want to add contact lens to eye. So let me show you how to do that with just a single click also. What I just need to do is to scroll down, scroll up first, and I'm going to close this screen retouching. Then I'm going to do what? Open the makeup panel. Click on the makeup panel, open it up. I'm going to scroll down. I'll scroll down and look for where my eyebrows, my contact lens is. So I'm going to click on the contact lens. Let me zoom in so I can see very well. So I'll select the first one. Can you see what it did for us? Select the second one. Select the third one. Select the fourth one until you see the one that is going to fit perfectly for your image. So I like this blue one. All I just need to do right now is I don't like the way it's actually showing too much. Just have to come down to the opacity and reduce it till I see fit. Can you see right now? We're able to get this high-end portrait in just simple click. So this picture will be given to you guys to practice with. So you can just practice with it, download the Evoto and practice with it. Then you're good to go in the retouching aspect. And trust me, you can do this to full pictures also again. So that's what I use in retouching this picture, this picture, this picture, this picture from A to Z. So I just did the manipulation in Photoshop and I came here and did the skin retouching. So as you can see right now, our picture is already pink. All you just need to do is to export our picture. But I want to do what? Smoothing the backdrop a little bit. So I just have to go to the backdrop layer over here. I'll go to the backdrop layer. Then I'm going to do what? Remove distractions, though there's no distraction in our background. Then I'm going to do what? I'm going to clean the backdrop. I'll make sure I'm selecting the solid color. Then unify lighting. The next thing you can do is to enhance your background to make it a little bit more bluish or whitish look, whatever you want it to be. Now look at what we did right now, before and after of our picture. Very, very simple and straightforward, and in less than, it's going to save you a lot of time when it comes to editing picture, color grading picture. I hope this video helped. If it does, don't forget to drop a like. Someone out there might be in need of this video. And if you want to purchase, you can use Reflex Image to get 15% discount on whatever package you buy from them. So see you guys in my next video tutorial. Reflex out.